So you have spent fair time and money in making sure the landscape around your premises is a treat for the eyes. But isn't it equally essential to maintain this look through the years? How would you do that? Garden World is your answer. Garden World offers professional support for landscaping through an annual maintenance contract that ensures your garden remains fresh and clean all year round. But why is maintenance so important? It is a wonderful sight to see a beautiful display of manicured grass, fragrant flowers, a variety of green foliage and carefully placed shrubs. But it takes a thorough professional to ensure this beauty is a joy forever. That is what Garden World does by offering comprehensive maintenance services. Unkempt landscapes could contribute to injuries from tripping or stumbling over debris from fallen branches and leaf pileups. Garden World handles your garden refuse, ensuring high safety standards for you and your staff. Our work culture is transparent. You always know how the work is progressing. We report our activities, keeping you in control at all times. Another plus, we save money for you since our rates are competitive with a nominal amount as our service charges. Overall, an easy and handy deal for you. So, what are you waiting for? Contact Garden World today. Our expert team trained at our global center is competent in maintaining and beautifying your landscape the year around and will keep assisting you through your green journey. Garden World. We don't just offer maintenance, we offer you peace of mind.